This guy.
So listen.
This guy. Shut up. I'm better than that guy.
My man.
I don't need to calm down because I don't know where the f I am. I mean, what the f is going on? What the f is your issue?
Jerry, relax.
No, I don't want to relax. What the f is your issue? My f wrist hurts.
Oh, there you go.
What's going on?
The guest at the bar.
The jean jacket that's talking with the lady in the green.
Okay.
0:00. Seen open hodi high intense shouting southeast. What is your issue? Yahan se high clear ho jada high ka situation already emotionally charged high. Location? Tampa International Airport. Time? December holiday night. Public place. High traffic area. AAP notice carrying Kai's third-party witness officer KO Batata High ka suspect any customers KO harass Kia, Pichaker Gaya, Shayad had hit Kia, or for logon ka face, main ja car shout car rahada. Yes, simple drunken behavior nahi. Yeah, disorderly conduct with potential safety risk high. Yahan Deki, har second ka impact kitna critical high. Airport JC Jaga par disturbance surf nuisance nahi hodi. Security concern be hodi high. Officer calmly approached Karta high. You're not getting arrested. I'm just talking to you. Yahoda high consensual encounter phase.
Abi detention naivi. Officer de escalate karraha high.
AAP Kia Sakhti Hain. Agar Yahan suspect cooperate Karta. Quietly ride a range ho jadi. Kia arrest avoid ho Saktada. Story Abi Shuru Hui High.
He was first harassing my customers. They were in line. Then he fell backwards. It literally butt first and all the way back and just collapsed and fell back on the floor. And I think he may have hit his head. I don't know. But then he got up and he was yelling at people. He was yelling at had confrontations with individuals wanting to fight over United.
Okay.
And in their face, and some woman, he was right in her face and she jumped back. And some guy that is taller than he is and bigger than he is got in his face and told him to stop. And then she walked over to get him.
Where'd he go?
It's just before 6 on a December holiday night when an airport police officer gets this not-so-festive call to a terminal bar called Ducky's.
How you doing, sir? My name's Officer Vasquez with the airport police. How you doing?
Getting arrested.
Well, you don't have to get arrested.
Why am I getting arrested?
You're not getting arrested. I'm just talking to you because I heard you're being a little intoxicated, causing some problems, and that you fell.
I'm so sorry. No, that's my fault. Thank you.
When are you flying out?
9:15-ish.
I'm telling you, if you go to the gate in the state you're in, they're not going to let you fly.
Okay. Well.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. So do you have some place you can go right now?
I do.
Okay. Where is that?
I don't know.
Do you have your telephone? Could you look it up?
Do you know him?
Yeah. We've
probably
been all
could.
sitting here. Yeah. Get your phone. You're going to be okay.
This nice lady you see here in the green takes it upon herself to help the man in blue call for a ride home. When he sees a picture of his daughter on his phone, the man breaks down in tears.
Okay, honey, don't cry. Put your password in there.
After a minute of trying to figure out who to call, the officer begins to take matters into his own hands.
What flight are you flying, sir?
You're the guy.
What happened?
You're the guy.
I am the guy.
You're
What's your
the
flight?
guy. I can fly like 9:15.
No, what airline?
JetBlue.
Oh, JetBlue. No, you're not, you guys.
So you're the guy. I'm going to lay down somewhere. You're the guy. I got nobody to call.
I got you. So this is my concern.
I understand.
I'm going to leave,
Yeah.
and then I'm going to get another call.
No.
And then I'm going to have to come back here.
No, you're not going to get another call. I promise you that. I'm going to lay down somewhere. I've been there.
You're good?
Another man shows up to the party, telling officers he's been trying to help the man in blue simmer down, working as a mediator between a few people at the bar. He later hints to officials that he thinks this guy has PTSD. When the officer starts asking the ducky drunky more questions, things start to get a little ugly.
Obviously, you've had a couple drinks. What I'm saying is,
I've had more than a couple drinks.
yeah, I can tell. I'm just saying.
But I'm better.
He's fine.
Hey, don't walk up on
listen,
anybody. Don't walk up on anybody.
Don't
Walk up on
We're gonna listen. We're gonna
I'm
ask
better than you on any
We're gonna ask him
day.
back to the main terminal. You're going back to the main terminal, my friend.
and we'll go get JetBlue and a ticket.
Yeah,
And they'll-
yeah.
This guy.
So listen,
This guy. Shut up. I'm better than that guy.
yeah, my man.
Grab your stuff.
There's two ways you're gonna go back, either in handcuffs or you're gonna walk back. Which one are you gonna do?
No, you.
Oh, okay.
All that TM on your legal communication with the driver.
Let me go.
Nope.
He's pulling away.
Yeah, this guy's
Dude,
gonna...
put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, man. Put your hands behind your back.
Multiple officers are forced to cuff the guy. They collect his things and eventually start walking out of the airport terminal. The officers ask the man if he has an ID, and after not one, but 4 times asking, the main officer in charge gets a hold of his license.
Can you read on a South Carolina driver's license by number?
The officer learns the man in blue is from South Carolina, and his name is Jerry. Unhappy with his not-so-sober situation, Jerry begins to mouth off. You'll see.
I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Listen, man, we're gonna get you some help. You just need to calm down.
I don't need to calm down because I don't know where to.
Officer clearly bolta high. If you go to the gate in this state, they're not going to let you fly. Yes, sir, warning nahi. Airline policy explanation high.
Airline syntaxictated passenger kodinaikar sakhti hain.
Deki Kai's officer alternative daraha high. Do you have somewhere to go? Yeah, voluntary compliance opportunity high. Ek lady B, help car rahi high ride arrange karn main.
Yahan situation bilkul control mein lak rahi hai. Lekin fear emotional breakdown, daughter ki photo dek kar suspect ro dit hai.
Alcohol plus emotional trigger equals unstable mindset. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer be patience, maintain car raha high.
Je pure de escalation tactic sign.
Lekin 3 o'clock, ku around tone shift hoda high.
Hey, I mean, what the f is going on?
Okay. That's part of the problem, that you drank so
Yeah,
much.
I know that. I'm not drunk.
You want to just go take him down the elevator?
I'm not drunk.
Yeah, we
spent
can't take the
14
stairs.
hours
We definitely
having
can't take the
last
stairs.
drink. 14 hours.
Oh, excuse me, guys. Excuse me.
Why the f am I still dreaming this? 14 hours. What the f is your issue?
Jerry, relax.
No, I don't want to relax. What the f is your issue? My f wrist hurts. Well, f you.
Man,
Let's f kill me. F ouch. F this. F kill.
Listen, I'm better than that guy.
Ego driven escalation shuru o yati ai.
Officer clear boundaries set car to high. There's 2 ways you're going to go back. In handcuffs or you're going to walk. Yahan officer ku file ka asar turandike to high. Verbal warning dia gaya.
Choice digai. Up resistance pa arrest inevitable hai.
Jab suspect pull away car to high. He's pulling away.
US moment par détention converte au jati ai custodial arrest mine.
AAP notice carrying Kai's multiple officers coordinated Tariq SE hands behind back command Deet Hain. Yeah, use of force continuum ka escalation step high. Verbal commands SE physical control attack. AAP Kia expect car rahida? Kia yes surf shouting tack limited reda?
Ab situation escalate hutsuki hai.
Alright, now you're under arrest. Alright. I got leg shackles.
Arrest me.
What is that? My man! Put him on the ground. Yeah, put him on the ground.
Yeah, come with me.
I'm gonna switch it to 1.
Handcuff slide chuk hain.
ID verify Hody High, South Carolina driver's license. Identity confirm. Lekin arrest could bad be resistance continue. I don't know where I am. Kill me. Ie hintothikatyum konsusyum kamiklak rahahai. Yahan deki procedural nuance. Once under arrest, officer duty bound high suspect KO safely transport karn kuliya, Chahis suspect cooperate karyanahi. Elevator main sudden movement hoda high. Officers like shackles add Cardi Hain.
Apnotis karin kaize yech escalation suspect ke behavior ke vayach se horahi hai, punishment ke laye nahi, safety ke laye.
Yahan situation bilkul tense ho gai. Closed elevator space. Limited exit. High risk environment.
Aape kia karte agar suspect ki karya kolapse preten kar?
Do you want them to meet you at HQ?
Front court. Come on, buddy.
Our control.
Jerry.
Yes.
They respond over to truck court Alpha for a medical evaluation.
I'll get his legs. Yeah.
Truck court Alpha, we have an officer, prisoner in custody.
He's like twin.
He's breathing. It looks like he's pretending to not be conscious, but he's breathing, moving his eyes. Yeah, 10-15 for badly on.
He's not gonna kill him, kick nobody else.
You're gonna take me in pieces.
We're in the truck court. Is he by the loading dock?
Pieces. He's fucking half white. I don't want to relax.
I know, but you got to.
Because you're half white. I didn't do anything.
Jerry, it's over. Jerry, it's over, brother. You're making it worse.
Please walk inside the door.
Well, stop struggling so it doesn't.
I didn't do anything.
You kicked me, Jerry. That wasn't necessary.
Oh, you're a fucking
Elevator
Well,
parking over spot.
that's besides the point. Whether he is or he isn't, you're gonna kick him. He can come through. He can come through.
35 or 51.
You need to man up.
We're 10.
Own up.
You're just
Man up.
shackled on. Trying to kick us still. You're good.
Let me go.
Grab the. Yeah, hammer. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm good. I got him.
Let me go.
Jerry, if you stop kicking us, we have no problem letting you go. But you're still.
Hurt anybody.
You just kicked me, bro. Come on.
If I hurt you by kicking
Yeah, we're just.
you,
Yeah, right there, Griff. Right there.
let me go. Let me go. I hear you. I already heard you. Let me go.
Jerry, we're not letting you go.
I already heard you.
You're under arrest, buddy.
Shut the. I already heard you. Let me go.
Ground Paraker suspect play dead Karda Hualagda High. Officers breathing check Cardi Hain. Yeah, important high duty of care. Agar suspect unconscious claim care. Officers ignore Nahi Kar Sokt. Medics Bile Jade Hain. Vital signs check normal.
Dekije kaise legal liability manager ai.
Dokumentación medical clearance saben surekia yaraha hai. For sudden kick. Officer Bolta High. You kick me, Jerry. Yes, simple resistance SE escalate ho car potential battery on law enforcement ban Sokta High. Yahan har second ka impact critical high. Ek kick equals additional charge. AAP notice carrying Kai's officers repeatedly bowl Rahi Hain. Stop struggling. Control maintain Karna High primary objective high.
Jerry.
Shut the.
So we've decided. It's jail.
Are you gonna walk, or are we gonna have to drag you out
Oh, you
here?
gotta get me up.
You'll walk?
I gotta get me up.
We can do that.
So here, lean over, get on your butt, and then you'll stand up from there. Lean over on your butt,
Cross your feet.
Okay.
Cross your feet.
and then you're gonna get up from there.
I'm gonna get up from there.
One.
Oh, that hurts.
Cross
Well, then you're gonna help us stand up then.
That hurt. That helps.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. You gotta help us though.
I'm trying. Jesus.
Thank you.
That doesn't help. It's short steps. Short steps. Short steps.
Go ahead. Take
Short steps.
You're fine.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Short steps. There we go. Animals. No, shorter steps. Shorter steps. There we go. Thank you. You're welcome.
Up jail transport decision final Hochuka High. You're going to jail. Officer clearly option D to high. Are you going to walk or are we going to drag you?
Jek employees choice fir se di jagaya. Suspect insist karta high front kusein pe.
Lekin officer K to high. It's against policy. Yahan deki procedural nuance. Kabi officer personally willing ho sakta hai, lekin department policy, override kardi hai. Front cuffing higher escape risk hoda hai. AAP kia sakti hain, kia yahan policy bend karni chahiti?
Ya consistency mantang karna saroriai?
Situation for SE verbal tug of war ban jadi hai.
That's a janitor.
No. No.
Jerry, come on. We gotta
No.
Jerry.
No.
All right, sit back down. Then. Just have him sit down.
All right. I'll sit down.
Because he's not going.
I'm not going anywhere
Jerry,
with
get a
him.
car right over here.
I'm not going anywhere with him.
You're not going with him.
Come on, dude. Let's go. I
No.
won't go with you. Come on.
No.
I'm just holding the door. So how do we want to? Who wants to transport? I can transport. I just need to get my car.
I'm sitting down.
I could do my CRA, right? Even if it's against me, or no?
I'll write your CRA.
Oh, shit, my hands are.
Do you want to go with me?
Yeah, I'll go with you. I'll go with you, Griff.
Let's wait for the supervisor to be here. They can stand by in case of fights. I'll grab my car and bring it around.
No, we can't front cuff you, Jerry. It's against policy.
Okay, well, I'm not going with him.
You're not going with him. You're going with us.
No, I don't care.
Okay, but you're not going
So
with
you
him.
put it in front, I'll go with you.
It's against policy, Jerry. We can't put it in front.
I'll go with you. I'm not going with him.
You're not going with him, Jerry. You're going with us.
No, I'm putting in front, I'll go with you.
It's not up to you anymore, buddy. We're done.
You, shut up.
No.
Shut the up.
Okay, all right, whatever.
This is between him and me.
Well, you're going to jail, Jerry.
I will go to jail. I don't care.
Okay, then let's walk out the
I don't
door.
care, but I'm not going that way.
But that's where the car is, Jerry.
I don't care. I'm not going that way.
There's a ramp
I will go
on the
with
left.
you.
You're going with me.
I will go with you.
I'm taking you.
You take me, you uncomfortable.
We will. I'm gonna go get his car and pull it up here.
I'm taking you, Jerry.
No, shut up. I will go with you. That way, another way.
There's only one way to go. The cars are down here.
Anyway, I will go other way than that way.
There's no way we can go any other way.
No, there's other ways.
There is no other way.
There is other ways.
There is no other way.
Shut up. There's other ways.
Zanito ko dek ka sut pet free et hozata hai.
I'm not going that way.
Yan situation psychological o gaiai.
Fear? Paranoia?
Ego.
Officers repeatedly calmly explain Cardi Hain. That's where the car is.
Lekin suspect insist karta vej alternatero te par jo e čist nahi karta. Ap noti čekarin kaj se patients test ora ai. 3 minute tak negotiation halti rachti hai.
Finally cooperation milti high, slow steps, short steps, rain main walk.
Yan de kie control gradually regain ora ai.
Ready? On your butt. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Perfect. We're going to walk down the ramp on your left and go to the car.
Give me a second, and I will help you.
Can we pull him?
Give me a second, I will help you.
All right. Then put your leg
All
in.
right, give me a second, I will help you.
Then move your foot. Let's go.
Give me a second.
But eventually, he is strapped in.
You're a
Patrol car could possibly minor resistance continue. Give me a second. Don't you bite him.
Lekin eventually securo yata ai. Doorbont hota hai.
Charge? Disorderly conduct.
A pure story recap karein.
Start. Bar disturbance. Middle. De-escalation attempts. Turning point. Physical pull away. Escalation. Shackles plus medics plus kick. End. Jail transport. AAP notice carrying Kai's har stage par officer any options die. Har stage par choice T. Agar 2 o'clock par ride except ho jati. Kia jail avoid ho saktada? Agar elevator main compliance hodi. Kia shackles avoid hodi? Police procedure ka golden rule. Least force necessary until resistance demands more. Yahan deki real-time example. Alcohol plus ego plus public setting equals rapid escalation.
Aur sabse bada lesson?
Public intoxication surf personal issue nahi. Jab wa public safety disturb care. Wa legal issue ban jada high.
Ab kia zochte hein kia ye arrest inevitable ta?
Ya kahin p outcome change ho saktada?